Traditionally made fresh ginger juice is a whole event, pounding, grating, squeezing, exhausting every single time. But here's the lazy genius method that gets it done once, and you're set for months. Take all the summer ginger, toss it into a meat grinder, and blend it down to a fine paste. Scoop it into a cheesecloth bag and squeeze out every last drop of that fairy juice. Don't toast the pole, its liquid gold is disguised. Set it aside for later. What you get from this is pure, concentrated ginger juice. Take natural, zero additives. Even the golden ginger powder set at the bottom, that's flavor. Pack essence, pour it all into an ice tray and freeze it solid. Once frozen, it lasts you an entire year. No more squeezing fresh juice every time you want a cup. This is how you skip the hard work and stay way ahead. Now back to the leftover ginger pulp. Break it up with chopsticks, spread it out in a bowl, and microwave on medium high for about 8 minutes until it's nice and dry. The aroma, unbelievable. Use it when blanching meat. It adds depth and kills the funk, or grind it into a homemade ginger spice. Powerful and fragrant. Store it in an airtight bag, sealed and ready to go. No waste, maximum flavor. And those frozen ginger cubes, each one locks in the base of the root. Just drop a cube into hot water with a spoonful of brown sugar. First thing in the morning. It's warming, soothing, and especially good for those who struggle with cold hands and feet. This lazy hack doesn't just save time, it makes wellness ridiculously easy.